What have you chosen for your skill drill and why?
I would like to prefer photography for my section as it will teach me in very various way to know what wildlife photography, cinematic photography, etc.
What skill drill have you chosen for yourself?
Photography, digital marketing.
Bakery.
Yes, a bakery.
I like to learn Korean language, Spreadsheet.
Digital marketing.
Photography, hospital duty and patient care.
Korean language.
Why digital marketing?
So because I think digital marketing is a platform where I can pursue my dreams further because I want to be an influencer, and I think digital marketing is a place that will help me grow further.
If I learn bakery right now, because I have that opportunity to learn, I can start my own business.
I have chosen digital marketing because I want to reach more people through digital marketing.